Ever wondered just how much of the American financial landscape is painted green? We're talking about TD Bank, that familiar institution with its friendly logo and widespread presence. But when we say widespread, what does that actually mean? How big of a player is TD Bank in the United States competitive banking arena? It's not just about the number of branches, although that's a significant piece of the puzzle. We need to delve into assets, customer base, and overall market share to truly grasp the scale of TD Bank's operations south of the border. Let's start with their footprint. You've likely seen a TD Bank branch in many states, particularly along the East Coast. They've strategically focused their expansion in this densely populated and economically active region. But the numbers are quite impressive. TD Bank boasts a network of over 1,100 branches stretching from Maine all the way down to Florida and extending west into states like New York and Pennsylvania. That's a substantial physical presence, making them one of the top 15 largest banks by number of branches in the U.S. But branches are just one way to measure size. What about the money they handle? As of recent reports, TD Bank's U.S. operations hold hundreds of billions of dollars in assets. To put that into perspective, we're talking about a figure that rivals the GDP of some small countries. This massive asset base allows them to offer a wide array of financial products and services, from basic checking and savings accounts to mortgages, loans, and investment options. And who are they serving with this vast network and wealth of resources? TD Bank in the U.S. has millions of customers. These aren't just faceless numbers, they represent individuals, families, and businesses of all sizes who rely on TD for their financial needs. This large and diverse customer base speaks to the bank's ability to attract and retain clients in a competitive market. Now, let's talk about market share. While TD Bank might not be in every single state, their strong presence in key markets gives them a significant slice of the pie. They are a major player in retail banking in their core regions, competing with some of the biggest names in the industry. Their focus on customer convenience, with many branches offering extended hours, including weekends, has undoubtedly contributed to their success in capturing and maintaining market share. Beyond retail banking, TD Bank also has a significant commercial banking arm, providing financial solutions to businesses ranging from small startups to large corporations. This includes lending, cash management, and other specialized services that fuel economic growth and development within their operating areas. It's also worth noting TD Bank's commitment to digital banking. In today's world, a bank's size isn't just measured by its physical presence but also by its online and mobile capabilities. TD Bank has invested heavily in its digital platforms, allowing customers to manage their finances anytime, anywhere. This digital reach extends their services far beyond the physical locations of their branches. So, to answer that initial question, TD Bank in the U.S. is a major financial institution with a significant branch network, hundreds of billions in assets, millions of customers, and a substantial market share, particularly along the East Coast. They are a key player in both retail and commercial banking, constantly adapting and evolving in the dynamic American financial landscape. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.